Hi, I'm Eric Rosenthal, and welcome to The Leather Look. Today we're going to be using our newest product, the Stratto Recycle Leather Veneer. It's a nice way to elevate your door inserts. It's nice and clean and easy and no-mess solution. The game-changing Stratto is backed with a pressure-sensitive adhesive, making the installation easy and effortless. Our Stratto Recycle Leather Veneer is available in our standard 25 colors. Custom colors are available as well. Today we'll be using our antique gray crocodile for our demonstration. We're going to start by sanding the application surface using 120 grit sandpaper to remove any gloss. After you sand the surface of the application area, use acetone to remove any dust or debris. Make sure the surface area is completely dry before moving to the next step. Now we're going to measure the height and the width of the surface area where you're planning to apply the Stratto Recycled Leather Veneer. Using our sharp utility knife, we're going to carefully cut our sheet slightly larger than what we measured. We'll use a straight edge, in this case a ruler, as our guide. To apply the Stratto Recycled Leather Veneer on the surface, remember to peel just the corner of the backing and not all at once. Then we gradually align the top edge and gradually press the sheet down while peeling away the backing. Right after applying your sheet to the desired area, use a 2-inch stainless brass J-roller to apply firm and consistent pressure over the entire surface area. This will activate the pressure-sensitive adhesive and ensure permanent bonding. The more pressure, the better the adhesion. Now we're going to carefully trim any overhanging edges with your utility knife and a straight edge. Now that we're finished applying the Stratto Recycled Leather Veneer, it's time for the final inspections. First, make sure the Stratto Recycled Leather Veneer is fully bonded and re-roll any areas that feel loose to ensure the pressure is applied throughout the surface. The next step for the final inspection is to avoid any cleaning or disturbing the surface for at least 24 to 48 hours to allow full adhesive cure. And that's how simple it is to transform your door inserts with Stratto RLV. It's simple and effortless. Let's transform your project today.